wow. Oh la la. Oh wow. Oh, you have big waves, eh? No? Oh la la. Oh my god.
That is huge! That is absolutely huge!
Oh my god! Oh, amazing.
Nature is full of extraordinary wonders beyond human imagination. In today's video, let's explore some once-in-a-lifetime moments, the rarest and most breathtaking scenes crafted by Mother Nature. Get ready to be amazed and mesmerized by these stunning visuals.
Oh my god, they all going!
A spectacular geyser eruption, a breathtaking wonder in the heart of the Atacama Desert. A breathtaking moment as a giant humpback whale breaches the waters off the coast of Ireland, leaving tourists on the boat in awe of the ocean's beauty and power. A sudden dust devil swirls through an open area in Angola, lifting chairs into the air and leaving everyone stunned and shocked. Wow, I can't believe there are so many.
That was a goodie.
There's the doggy.
Wow! Did you see that? How could a dog walk out from the root of that tree? Absolutely unbelievable! On March 3rd, 2024, in the rugged mountains of Nagar, Gilgit-Baltistan, a massive avalanche roared down like a white beast, swallowing the valley in a furious river of ice and snow, a chilling reminder of nature's wild and uncontrollable power. On a scorching August day in 2024, in the quiet town of Moran, Texas, a local man witnessed an astonishing sight. Gentle gusts of wind suddenly spiraled into a towering dust devil, twisting furiously across the land. The raw power of nature had come to life before his very eyes. Suddenly, deep beneath the rugged lands of Hawaii, the ground trembled as molten lava erupted, carving a path of destruction. The scorching river of fire flowed relentlessly, a stark reminder of nature's untamed fury. Meanwhile, miles away, a peaceful outing turned into terror as a car suddenly plunged through the ice, vanishing into the freezing abyss, its passengers escaping just in time, but the vehicle lost forever to the relentless cold.
Вот он. Все.
As they caught their breath, the family marveled at the peaceful mountain view. Suddenly, tiny white shapes zipped past, darting like a flurry of mice. But it wasn't mice at all, just pampas grass dancing in the wind, turning fear into awe.
നമ്മളെ കടപ്പുറത്ത് നോക്ക് നമ്മളെ കടപ്പുറത്താണ്. പോയി ചാളച്ചാകരേ.
The family watched in awe as the massive flock shifted and swirled, perfectly synchronized, just as a giant airplane sliced through the dense clouds above. At Yellowstone, a colossal geyser bursts to life, hurling steam and ash into the sky, leaving spectators frozen in awe of nature's untamed fury.
Твою мать, что за наклон? Не знаю, видно нет, эта фигня крутится.
Не знаешь, как смерч сраный, господи. Сейчас нас погиб.
Wow! Two clouds drift apart like separate worlds, silently floating across the sky, creating a mesmerizing and enchanting moment.
Dude, stop! Go straight, go straight, go straight.
Absolutely mind-blowing. Nature always knows how to leave us speechless in awe. In just one instant, everything changed. I can't take my eyes off this sight. Oh my God, is this real? The scene before my eyes feels like it's from another world. So impressive. Flames erupt from the cracks in the rocks with no clear fuel source. Nature is truly extraordinary. This is pure magic. I've seen incredible things before, but nothing compares to this moment.
Este güey viene a que lo rasques.
Ven acá. Ven acá, hermosa. No manches, es irreal.
This image captures a breathtaking moment as a massive cloud descends upon the sky, creating a stark contrast between the clear blue above and the dense, looming mass below. The scene makes the sky appear split in two, with one half shining brightly while the other is shrouded in an eerie darkness. Can humanity ever defy the sheer power of nature? The thought alone feels almost impossible, like a whisper against a raging storm. The piranha, a fierce predator of the deep, lurks with razor-sharp teeth and an unstoppable bite, turning the water into a silent battlefield. This is definitely one of the boldest and most impressive selfies. Would you dare to try a moment like this?
He's fat too.
A bubbling mud volcano in Indonesia, where massive mud bubbles continuously rise and burst, creating a mysterious yet spectacular scene amidst the wild nature. Absolutely breathtaking, a colossal iceberg suddenly flips, sending waves rippling across the water as its glistening, untouched underside emerges into the light. A mesmerizing sight. A perfectly sculpted lenticular cloud hovered motionless over a mountain in Spain for a full 24 hours, resembling a giant spaceship frozen in time against the endless sky. Unbelievable. In China, the temperature dropped so suddenly that everything inside the house, from water in a glass to the surface of objects, froze in an instant, creating a surreal and astonishing scene.
We called it, bro.
In early 2025, the world witnessed a series of extreme weather events. Massive tornadoes swept everything away, while violent storms brought heavy rains and devastating floods, dragging houses and vehicles into the sea. In the mountains, sudden landslides sent giant rocks tumbling down, forcing people into a desperate battle for survival against nature's fury. Beyond that, breathtaking once-in-a-lifetime moments continue to unfold before our eyes.
Yeah.
Oh my God! This mesmerizing footage from China captures a bubbling geothermal hot spring where hidden natural gases ignite upon exposure to fire. A breathtaking spectacle unfolded in the night sky over Miami as eerie, otherworldly lights pierced through the darkness. Look at this monstrous tornado. A swirling beast of destruction, it charges forward with unstoppable fury, tearing through everything in its path. The sheer power of this violent twister is both mesmerizing and terrifying. Witness nature's untamed fury as a massive volcano erupts in Indonesia, unleashing a towering inferno of ash and smoke into the sky. Captured on CCTV, this chilling footage reveals the exact moment a powerful earthquake strikes Japan on December 14th, 2023.
It's all coming down. Oh my goodness. Oh wow. Oh. It is coming down.
Wah, air kayo. Look. Aduh. Aduh.
Wow, this sight is so breathtaking that I can't even find the right words to describe it. It feels like I'm witnessing a scene from a fantasy world, yet it's happening right in front of me. Thank you for watching. If you loved witnessing these mind-blowing wonders of our world, don't forget to hit like, share this video, and subscribe to Zone Max for more jaw-dropping content. Stay tuned. Our next adventure will be even more unbelievable, and trust me, you won't want to miss it.